This is the test everyone has been waiting for. Can the air fryer compete with an oil fry? Whether it's deep fry, shallow fry, let's find out. I'm also going to do some in the oven just so you can see kind of a third way. But we're going to just trim up my potato pave here. Here's the video where I originally showed how I make them. I'll link that in the bottom. I'm not going to make you sit through that whole thing again. This video would be 10 minutes long for no reason. I've made it multiple times. This is just a quick little screenshot here of the video. Go check it out. Put this channel on the map, so I'm forever grateful for that. But we're going to trim off the excess sides here just where they're not sitting perfectly flat. This is the 1,000-layer potato. Obviously, it is not 1,000 layers, but it is just very nice, neatly stacked layers of potato, then compressed into a nice shape like this. I'm going to cut them into about half-inch, 3/4-inch slices. I think these are the sweet spot for getting a nice soft inside, but a really nice crispy outside. And we're going to just now cook these up 3 different ways: oven, air fryer, and then a nice oil shallow fry, same as a deep fryer. But I'm going to throw these into the freezer for about 30 minutes first. I just like to get them real cold. I'm going to cook everything here with beef tallow. This is just rendered fat from when I made the bone broth. I'm going to try to use this for everything. I'm going to coat them in the oil, whether they're in the fryer. These are the 2 that are going into the oven. I'm going to coat these in the oil as well, just to give them a nice crisp on the outside. Let's see what the oven can do. This is the first time really giving those a try. I'm going to put some in the air fryer here as well. These are going to go in standing up, but after about a quarter of the way through, I'm going to flip them onto one side, and then I'm going to flip them on the other side after a few more minutes, just to make sure every side gets nice and evenly browned. And I'm going to coat these in a little beef tallow as well. That's really the main bit of flavor, and you'll see that's kind of what it comes down to at the end. We're going to put that at 425. It had already been preheated for right around 10 minutes. And now let's cook the pan ones. You've seen how I do this, so I'm not really going to show you the full process, but you want to get your oil fairly hot. I'm not looking for a particular temperature here, just I want to see it bubbling nicely. That's what you're looking for: beautiful brown, crispy around the edges. I like to baste it a little bit once I flipped them, just to make sure that that top part keeps cooking. Right after about 5 to 8 minutes, I'm going to flip them one more time just to make sure that other side is perfect, golden brown, just the way I like them. If you want to take them a little further than this, totally fine, be my guest. That's right where I like them. And there we go. There's the 3 styles. I'm not going to tell you which is which at the moment, but let's dive in and taste them. These first ones here, pretty bland. They are very obviously baked. They don't have much flavor. They seem just like a low-fat option. The middle one, really, really good, packed with flavor. I'm going to hold off telling you about those. Left ones, almost there. They're very crispy. They're very nice. But the very clear winner here is the middle one. Those were the ones cooked in the oil. The oil here is just so important for the flavor. The air fryer did a fantastic job. They just lacked that flavor of the delicious oil like a French fry would. So air fryer, unfortunately, still not the winner.